Thank you guys for tuning into the Dhol Playground. My name is Manvir, and before we get into this episode, I have a very big announcement for you. The Simply Dhol website is now live. Visit www.simplydhol.com where you can now shop for Simply Dhol merchandise and join an online community of Dholis. By clicking on the Forums tab, simply use your Facebook credentials to log in. If you don't have a Facebook account, you can sign up by entering your email address and selecting a password. Now, back to this episode. If you refer to the fourth Dhol Playground video, Aaron and I were trying to recreate a set that we performed in 2007 at Bhangra Invasion. Because there's so much good learning material in that set itself, I've decided to teach it to my students, and as they learn, I want you guys to learn it as well. So basically what I've done is I've broken down the set into 4 parts, this being part 1 of 4, so there'll be 4 different videos for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the clip for you that my students are trying to learn, and then I'll try to explain what we're doing in between so that way you guys can follow along and you guys can actually learn the set at the same time that these guys are learning it. Each part is going to build off the last, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that way you guys know when the next video is out. Is further broken down into 6 sequences. The first sequence is Jhumar played 5 times, followed by Ginanana, 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 Ginanana. To give you an idea what this sounds like, I'll play it for you right now. The second sequence is Jhumar played 3 times, followed by Da, Na, Na, Git, Na, Gena, Nana, Gena, Nana. So basically how you would play this is the entire thing sounds like this. And you want to play this entire sequence 4 times. Next is Jhumar played once, followed by Da, Na, Na, Git, Na, Gina, Nana, Gina, Nana, and you want to play this entire sequence 4 times. Sequence 4 and 5 are exactly the same in terms of what we're playing. In sequence 4, we're playing Da, Na, Na, Git, Na, Gina, Nana, Gina, Nana, Da, Na, Na, Git, Na, Gina, Nana, Gina, Nana, Da, Na, Na, Git, Na, Gina, Nana, Gina, Nana, Da, Na, Na, Git, Na, Gina, Nana, Gina, Nana. So basically what we're doing is we're alternating between myself and my students. So you'll hear them play it first, then I will play it. Then they will play it, and then I will play it. And we're playing this for a total of 8 bars. The last 4 bars are us playing it together. Part 1 ends with the 6th sequence, which is ginanana 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 gina gina ginanana gina gina ginanana ginanana gina gina da ginanana gina gina da ginanana gina gina da.